I've spent the last 2 decades studying instructional coaching because, to my mind, it's the best way to create the schools our kids deserve. And in that research, more than 2 decades now, I've been able to identify, along with my colleagues, 7 factors that are essential for coaching success. First one is the principles that guide the coach's actions, the cycle the coach follows, the communication skills the coach uses, the data the coach gathers, the teaching strategies the coach has, the leadership skills the coach has, and the system where they work. And if any one of those is missing, if a coach doesn't have the leadership skills, doesn't know how to gather data, doesn't have the teaching strategies, hasn't mastered the cycle, doesn't have the beliefs, if any of those are missing, I'm not confident the coach can flourish. But when you address those things, coaches will flourish.